Chapter 8 Introduction to Decimals. Warm-up activity. Introduction to Decimals. We have already learned about fractions in previous chapter. The fractions with denominator as 10, 100, 1000 and so on are called as decimal fractions and can be written in a different form, that is, decimal form. For example, 3 upon 10, 24 upon 100, 1756 upon 1000, etc. are called as decimal fractions. Here, 3 upon 10 can be written as 0.3. 24 upon 100 can be written as 0.24. 1756 upon 1000 can be written as 1.756. This form of writing fraction without a numerator and denominator is termed as decimals. The term decimal has come from a Latin word decam, which means 10. The dot placed between the two numerals is called decimal point. The digit to the left of the decimal point shows the whole number, and the digit to the right shows that the number is less than whole. In 8.0, 8 is the whole number. 0 is less than whole number. The dot is the decimal point. Reading the decimal numbers. To read a decimal number, first we have to read the whole part as we used to read the counting numbers. Then word point is used. The numbers after the point should be read separately, digit-wise. For example, 4 decimal point 32 is read as 4.32. 96 decimal point 108 is read as 96.108. 0 decimal point 007 is read as 0.007. Converting fractions to decimals. Fraction with denominator 10. To convert fractions with denominator 10 to decimal form. Step 1. Write the numerator. Step 2. Count one place from the extreme right of the numerator. Step 3. Put the decimal point there. Examples. A. 4 upon 10 is equal to 0.4. B. 78 upon 10 is equal to 7.8. C. 523 upon 10 is equal to 52.3. Fraction with denominator 100. To convert fractions with denominator 100 to decimal form. Step 1. Write the numerator. Step 2. Count two places from the extreme right of the numerator. Step 3. Put the decimal point there. Examples. A. 9 upon 100 is equal to 0.09. B. 36 upon 100 is equal to 0.36. 1679 upon 100 is equal to 16.79. Fraction with denominator 1000. To convert fractions with denominator 1000 to decimal form. Step 1. Write the numerator. Step 2. Count 3 places from the extreme right of the numerator. Step 3. Place the decimal point there. Examples. A. 2 upon 1000 is equal to 0.002. B. 43 upon 1000 is equal to 0.043. C. 8169 upon 1000 is equal to 8.169. We can write the decimal form of any given fraction with denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. using the above method. Example 1. Express the following fractions as decimals. A. 8 upon 10. B. 5 upon 100. C. 67 upon 1000. Solution. A. 8 upon 10 is equal to 0.8. B. 5 upon 100 is equal to 0.05. C. 67 upon 1000 is equal to 0.067. Converting decimals to fractions. To convert decimal number to common fraction. Step 1. Write the given decimal number as the numerator but without the decimal point. Step 2. Write 1 in the denominator followed by the number of 0 equal to the number of digits given after the decimal. Examples. A. 7.8 is equal to 78 upon 10. B. 6.09 is equal to 609 upon 100. C. 2.31 is equal to 231 upon 100. D. 4.586 is equal to 4586 upon 1000. E. 12.84 is equal to 1284 upon 100. Place value system of decimal numbers. The place values represent whole numbers by a factor of 10 each time we move towards the left. So, a number 6,35,172 is represented in the place value system as 2 at 1's place, 7 at 10's place, 1 at 100's place, 5 at 1000's place, 3 at 10,000's place, 6 at lakh's place. But the place values decrease by a factor of 1/10 each time we move towards right. Thus, places after decimals are 1/10, 100, 1000. So, a number 35.264 will be represented in a place value chart as 3 at 10's place, 5 at 1's place, 2 at 10's place, 6 at 100's place, 4 at 1000's place. Remember, place value of the numbers before decimal will be same as that of whole numbers, that is, ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. So, place value of 3 is 3 tenths equal to 30. Place value of 5 is 5 ones equal to 5. Place value of 2 is 2 tenths equal to 2 upon 10. Place value of 6 is 6 hundredths equal to 6 upon 100. Place value of 4 is 4 thousandths is equal to 4 upon 1000. Example. Write the place value of all the digits in 956.278. The place value of 9 is 900. 5 is 50. 6 is 6. 2 is 2 upon 10. 7 is 7 upon 100. 8 is 8 upon 1000. Example. Write the place value of encircled digits. A. 7.326. Place value of 2 is 200 or 2 upon 100. B. 125.738. Place value of 1 is 100 or 100. Place value of 8 is 8,000 or 8 upon 1000. Expanded form. We can write expanded form of a decimal number in 3 ways. 1. Expanded form in words. 2. Expanded form in fraction. 3. Expanded form in decimal. Example 2. Write expanded form of 23.467 in 3 ways. Solution. Expanded form in words. 23.467 is equal to 2 tens plus 3 ones plus 4 tenths plus 6 hundredths plus 7 thousandths. Expanded form in fraction. 23.467 is equal to 20 plus 3 plus 4 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100 plus 7 upon 1000. Expanded form in decimal. 23.467 is equal to 20 plus 3 plus 0.4 plus 0.06 plus 0.007